Handy Andy back at it with another review. Today we're looking at the Aventon Abound e-bike. This is a cargo e-bike. You can carry cargo like your groceries, or you could even carry your kids on the back of that rear rack, because not only is that rear rack modular where you could put a kid's seat on it, but it has footboards. So you can have pretty much up to 2 kids. They can hold on for dear life as you take them on for a bike ride. Is this bike any good? Folks, we're about to find out. So let's just take a quick look at the design of the Aventon Abound Cargo e-bike. It has some really notable characteristics. One, it's very long, and that's because that long rear rack that you see there has 750 watts of power. So this thing's got a lot of kick. That's a big motor on it. But those footboards really make it different because it's really designed for you to carry people. You can have people up to 143 pounds sit on the back. You can have a variety of different types of accessories like baskets on the front, put a basket on the back. Heck, I'd even probably build my own basket and a mount on there for doing like grocery shopping. But it also has a bag in the middle that you see right there, and you can carry like your smartphone, and that kickstand is a center kickstand just like you see on bikes. Here's that bag that I was talking about. I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like inside, so you can carry your smartphones, your keys, your wallet, or what have you. Now when it comes to adjusting the seat, it's very easy. You just have to unlock it there and find the right height. You can also find the perfect direction that you want to have the seat and simply lock it in place once you get the right ideal height. Because it is a cargo bike, you're going to be using the pedals, but there is pedal assist, so you just want to have a comfortable experience. Now the handlebars also collapse, and this actually helps it when you're storing it or even putting it into something like a minivan or a back of a truck. It was a little bit tough because I have only one hand, I have the camera in the other, but I collapsed it down, and what you can see is even though this bike is super long, it does make it a little bit easier to carry when you drop everything down to its lowest level. Then you're gonna be able to put it, like I've seen one person put this in the back of kind of like a minivan, right in the back. So, you know, very nice features to have. Speaking of nice features, the battery is removable. It comes with a key. You can take the battery out, and this is a great benefit because it allows you to charge it. There is the charging port right there. Put that charging block on there, charge it in your house. Once it's fully charged, bring this back downstairs to wherever you have the bike locked, put it in, and you're good to go. You get lots of range. They say up to 64 kilometers on a full charge, but that really depends, I guess, on how much cargo and if you're pedaling. But a very, very big battery, very big motor, 750 watts. This is really designed to carry cargo, but it is heavy. Look at that. Look how much I'm struggling to pick it up. Weighs about 80 pounds, and it's like long too, so it's not easy to carry. Like if I had to put this up in a pickup truck by myself, I'm gonna have to really like pump myself up to get it in there because it's just awkward to carry and it's heavy at the same time. But I like that kickstand on there. That kickstand is awesome. It's like you would see on a motorcycle. It makes it super secure if you're gonna be having kids to go on it or even cargo. Once you get everybody on, you kick it off and you're good to go. So here, look at, I'm just taking off with the throttle. Look at that acceleration, just how fast you can take off. And again, it's designed to carry cargo. Unfortunately, they didn't give me the accessories on the back, so I couldn't put cargos or even kids on the back to see how the riding experience was. But in terms of maneuverability and to, like, you know, take turns, even though it is the longest bike or e-bike that I've driven, it doesn't feel like that when you're driving it. It actually feels quite comfortable like a standard bike. It's just that you have that ability to carry a lot of people or even cargo if you're like grocery shopping. Maybe you're gonna ditch a vehicle altogether. You live in an apartment, you can lock this up on the bottom. You have small kids. This is going to be a great bike to get because it's just modular in its nature, and you can pedal, or you can use pedal assist, or you can just use the throttle and go to a max speed of 32 kilometers an hour. Very, very impressive bike, I must say. Probably one of the best e-bikes I've reviewed this year. Folks, if you need a large rear rack for a modular ability to carry cargo, people, or kids, you got the footboards, you got the ability for them to hold on. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this e-bike. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.